For today's science lesson, we're covering another antibody-drug conjugate, or ADC, and this time it's Padcev, which is used for bladder and urinary tract cancers as a form of targeted therapy. And I'll link the video I did deep diving into how ADCs work to this video's description below. But in brief, it's composed of a monoclonal antibody that's highly specific to a certain protein, a linker, and a chemotherapy agent. In Padcev's case, the monoclonal antibody is enfortumab, and the chemotherapy agent is MMAE, which stands for monomethyl artemisinin E. And the way that Padcev works is that when enfortumab is administered, it's specific to a protein known as nectin-4. And nectin-4 is found on the outside of urothelial cells. You can almost think of this like a lock and key. When enfortumab interacts with nectin-4, it can then be engulfed into that urothelial cell, bringing along with it whatever it's attached to. And that's where this antibody-drug conjugate comes into play. Because when Padcev is administered, enfortumab is going to bind to nectin-4, cause it to be engulfed, where that linker will then be broken by proteases within the cell. When that linker is broken, it's going to release that chemotherapy agent directly inside of the cell, leading to microtubule misformation, as well as cell cycle arrest, and eventually cell death. Now, nectin-4 is highly found on the outside of urinary tract and bladder cancer cells. However, it's also found on non-transformed urinary and bladder cells as well, so it can have some off-target effects. Now, Padcev can be given as a treatment alone, but it also can be given as a treatment with Keytruda, which is a form of immunotherapy that I've also covered in a past video, which I'll link to this video's description below. So if you have another chemotherapy or immunotherapy drug that you want to learn more about, make sure to drop a comment on this video and stay connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin.